Hey guys, thanks for joining me and welcome. So today in this video I'm going to show you how I made my cute little makeup brush container. It's a storage container. Came out really nice. I'm using it to store my Juvia's Place makeup brushes, which I have not used yet, and they are so gorgeous, and I just wanted to make something really pretty for them to stay in. So I'm going to use this box when my makeup brushes are clean. I'm not going to put dirty brushes in here. But anyway, I'm going to show you what I used, and I'm going to get started. So I'm going to need one box. I like this one because it has a magnetic closure and it's in pretty good condition. I'm going to need black paint, Mod Podge silver glitter, foam painting brush. I'm going to need my glue gun, my glue stick, my scissors, a small painting brush, and any small tool to shape glitter. I'm going to use some black felt. I'm going to be using these two embellishments. I'm going to be using some flower wrap mesh, my silicone fingers, and I'm going to get started. So I'm going to take some Mod Podge glue and I'm just going to pour a little bit onto a piece of paper towel, and I'm going to take the silver glitter and I'm just going to put some in this cap so that I could use it very easily without using the big jar. And I'm going to put a little bit of the Mod Podge in the center of each flower. So what I'm going to do with this, guys, I'm going to, after I put that Mod Podge in, I'm going to add a little bit of glitter just to give it a nice shimmer in the center. I'm going to take my small little spoon and I'm going to just put a little bit of glitter in the center where I put the glue. And I'm going to do that for every one. After that has dried, I'm going to shake off any excess glitter. After I've done that, I'm going to go back in with a little bit more glue just to seal the glitter in the center. So now I'm going to start working on the box. First thing I'm going to do before I paint the box is I'm going to line it with the felt. It's going to look really nice. It's going to look nice and smooth. It's going to be a perfect house for the brushes. So I'm just going to cut and trim the felt. I'm just going to apply it to the box. The felt is self-adhesive. It's not easy to work with. I think it would have been easier to work with felt that I glued into the box myself. So anyway, this went in really nice, but it wasn't easy. And I'm just going to line the complete box. What I'm going to do is take some black paint, the sponge brush, and that brown cap. I'm going to put the black paint into the cap because it's easier to work with that way. And I'm just going to paint the entire box. After the box is dried, I'm going to go back in with a little bit of Mod Podge and water mixture, and what I'm going to do is just seal the paint to the box so that it doesn't chip or rub away. And I did that to the whole box. Put that aside and let it dry. Now here, what I'm doing is I'm covering the inside of the box where the name is. I forgot to paint that. So I'm going to use a little bit of the diamond wrap mesh just to cover the name up. So now I'm going to glue on the flowers that I decorated earlier. Just going to glue them around the perimeter of the box. Now I'm going to take my embellishment. This is a cute little shoe with pearls and faux diamonds. I'm going to hot glue this to the top of the box. This is going to be my center embellishment. On the front, where the magnetic clasps are, I'm just going to take a faux diamond, letter D for Des. I'm going to hot glue that in the front. And guys, what I'm going to do now is clean off all the glue strings, get off all the extra little glitter flecks that are everywhere on the box. And I'm going to come back and show you what the finished project looks like. So here it is. It looks absolutely beautiful. I really love the paint striations in the box. It makes it look, the box looks wood now instead of like cardboard, but it came out absolutely lovely. I got the felt lining inside so the brushes stay nice and soft. So guys, I want to thank you so much for joining me. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. Please don't forget to thumbs up the video and don't forget to subscribe. Take care of yourselves. God bless, and I'll see you at the next video. Bye-bye.